Hello ladies and gentlemen, notsosolidsnake here with another exciting YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be playing Runescape and showing you how to make your character. I've never really played this before, but they just released it on Steam not too long ago, so I'm going to go ahead and hit create new account via Steam. And this is going to say only one account can currently be associated with Steam, so we'll go ahead and hit continue. And this might just take a second here. Okay, and I think we're in the game. So first it's going to ask us to make a display name. I'm going to go ahead, I might speed this part up. But I'll try my best here to think of a name. Okay, it actually looks like this one kind of works, so we'll be notsosolidsnake. Set name. Wow, okay, and from here, it looks like we are setting the appearance of our character. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I'll probably speed this up as well so you don't have to sit through it. Okay, and I made my person here. Okay, use arrow keys on keyboard to rotate your camera, and just scroll with middle mouse to zoom in and out. Okay, look at that. Wow. Okay. Left click a point to move. Wow. Alright, so what do we need to do here? When you're ready, you get started, click on the guide. That's him. Greetings, I see you're a new arrival to the world of Geolanor. My job is to welcome all new visitors, so welcome. Thank you, sir. Okay, talking to other people. That's easy enough, you just click on them. Okay. To answer. Okay, yeah, I'm brand new. This is my first time. Thank you for introducing me. Oh, and hey, it's me. Look at the settings. Okay. Where? Oh, it must be this here. Okay, and talk to him, and we learned all we need to do is go ahead and click on him. Okay. It's time to meet our first instructor, alright. Okay, and we can click on the door here. And it looks like we're on our way. Wow, that guy has cool clothes. Oh, actually, that's our instructor. Okay, and it looks like this is Brenna. And their job is to teach us about the skills we can use. Okay, we got a net. Well, something else is flashing down here. What do I do? Click on the sparkling water. Wow. Okay, and we caught a shrimp. Or I guess we caught more than one shrimp. What's this? Okay. Okay, and that's showing us the different skills that we have in the game. Let's go ahead and talk to the instructor again. Oh, yes, I've managed to catch some shrimp. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna make a fire, and I think I click on this tree. Oh my. You know, I bet I could do that in real life. I managed to cut some logs. Okay. Click on the tinderbox. Okay, so to make a fire in RuneScape, all you want to do is click on a tinderbox and then click on your logs. And there you go, then you have a nice fire. Okay, and then we're gonna learn to cook a shrimp. And it says to click the shrimp and then click on the fire. Okay, and we cooked it. Moving on. We're gonna use a scroll wheel to zoom out, and we're still using the arrow keys here. Okay, and we're gonna head on out, and we're gonna follow this nice dirt road. Look how beautiful this is. And it looks like there's a little house up here, and I see an arrow on our mini map, so we're gonna go ahead and head inside. Oh, it's a chef. Oh, looks like it's actually a master chef. I wonder if he knows Gordon Ramsay. Okay, and Master Chef he's gonna teach us how to cook some bread. So he's gonna give us this flour and water. But we gotta mix the dough with the water. So what you wanna do with that is you wanna click on the water bucket and then click on this dough here. Excuse me, click on the flour here. And then from here we made some dough. And okay, we're gonna make it into bread. So I can click on the dough and click on the range here. And I bake some bread. That was pretty easy. Okay, and it's flashing over here, so let's head on out. Thank you, sir, for teaching me the art of making bread. We're gonna head up onto this other area here. Okay. Knock knock. Oh, and it looks like he's a quest guide, so let's click on him. Open my quest journal. Okay. Wow, this is every quest in the game. So there's free quests. That looks like that's quests you don't have to pay money to do. They're free. The member quest, you gotta be a member of like certain organizations, and then you can do these ones. So we'll click on him to continue. Oh, and they change color, okay. Man, this is a lot of reading. Okay, now we're gonna head on down to the caves. Okay. Oh, looks like a mining instructor. Wow, he looks awesome. I wonder how you get a hat like that. Hello, sir. You can call me notsosolidsnake. Okay, this is Desik. He's a miner by trade. And he's going to teach us. Okay, to mine a rock, all you need to do is click on it. Okay. So, let's click on this rock. Okay, and we got some tin. Okay, we need copper. Okay, looks like copper here. Okay. Click on the furnace. Okay, looks like we're gonna mix these together in the hot furnace to make a bronze bar. Okay, and then we made a bronze bar, so now we can talk to Desik again. Hi, I have a bronze bar. What do you want me to do now? You can smith it into a weapon, okay. So a hammer, and then we gotta click on the anvil, okay. Okay, and look at all this different stuff we can make, but we're gonna go ahead and make the dagger. Wow. It's time to move on. Thank you for teaching me that. Okay, and a gate here, and we learned earlier we can left click on it to open. Wow, look at this guy. Oh my god. Combat instructor, level 146. Wow, I wonder what level I am. My name's notsosolidsnake. This guy's actually kind of a dick. That's Vanica, the greatest swordsman alive. Okay. Click on the man. And this is flashing, so I'm going to click that. And there I am. Click on your dagger to equip it. Wow. I'm starting to look a little tougher than this guy. Wow, he gave me an upgrade. Okay, click on this, and the wooden shield. And then we can click this button here. Okay, and this is different attack styles. We'll stick with stab for now. Click on the gates. Oh no. I don't know if I should go in there. Okay, here we go. Meet your maker, rat. Oh no, he hit me. Okay. Go ahead, keep stabbing him. Wow, he's pretty tough. Okay, and we killed him. Whoa. Oh, he turned into bones. Oh, it says take bones, yes. Okay, these are rat bones, and they're actually pretty rare. So we're gonna keep those. Okay, and this is flashing, so we're gonna talk to him again. I did it, I killed a giant rat. Oh, he gave me a bow and arrow. So we'll click that. And then we got the arrows. Okay, we gotta wield the arrows. So we got them both. Then we can click on a rat again. I'm gonna click this one close to us. And this might seem pretty cheap, you know, shooting him through the gate. But he's a giant rat at the end of the day. So he kind of deserves it in a way. Okay. And it looks like we're out of here to this ladder. Okay, and we're gonna head to this big building here. And click on this guy. I can store inventory. Oh, we want to put the bones in there since those are rare. We'll keep the rest out for now. Okay. What is this? It's a pool booth. Oh, so we can vote on future game updates. Okay. We'll go ahead and close that. And it looks like another door is flashing here. We're gonna talk to the account guide. Hello, who are you? Okay, and this is the account manager button. I'm not sure what that is, but okay. Talk to him again. Oh, and we can get a membership. So this is the one who, he sells the memberships to the different clubs in Runescape. So if you ever want to be a, you know, if you ever want to get a membership, then talk to him. And we're on a free world right now. Okay, and I don't want to read all of this, but I think he's just talking about all the different memberships he offers. And we'll go ahead and move on. Okay, and from here we're gonna follow the path to the chapel. Okay, we're gonna talk to him. Good day, brother. As Brother Brace. Talk about prayer, okay. Oh, it's a prayer list. So the prayers in this RuneScape, you want to click on them and use before you log out for the day. It's kind of like before you go to bed and you say a quick prayer, or before you crash your car. Okay, and there's a friends list. Oh, so we can add friends in the game. Now, if you want to add me, I think my name was notsosolidsnake. And we're moving on to the final instructor. So we're gonna follow this path again here. Man, that guy looks cool too. Oh, he's a wizard. Open the magic interface. It's the book icon. Well, we're gonna cast a magic on the chicken. Click. And then click this chicken. Okay, I think I did it wrong. 1 second. Click this, and then click on the chicken. Wow. Okay, we're done. So we talked to him. And yeah, we're gonna head out to the mainland. Oh no! Wow. Adventurer John. That's him. And it looks like we can choose an adventurer path. Okay, and it looks like we're gonna do a path here to kind of figure out some stuff. Wow, and this is the world. Oh my god. A goblin. There's some nice little ducks over here. Oh, a woman with a stick. Oh, there's a goblin doing over here. Let's go ahead. Let's touch her. Let's kill him. Yeah. Hi. Get him. And we'll go ahead and we'll kill this guy and we'll probably wrap this up. But we learned a lot today. We learned how to play RuneScape. This guy's actually pretty tough, but I think I can get him. And there we go. Well, that's it for this video. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all learned something. Have a good day. Bye-bye.